I didn't even have to put it in 4-wheel drive low. If I get fogged, I'll Good morning! I just watched the sunrise and it was so nice at these Red Cliff lookout, and it was so nice. There was heaps of kangaroos, and it's actually so cool that there's like red cliffs in this area. You wouldn't think they should be here. It's so weird, but it's so nice and it's such a nice day. And I don't know what to do now. So last night my gas bottle was leaking and it just stopped working. So now I have to get a new cooker. So I'll probably have to do that this morning, but I'm gonna see if I can get it working again. I'm gonna take it out and see if I can cook some breakfast, because I really don't want it to be broken. It'd be so annoying if I have to get like a whole new gas bottle and cooker and everything. So I'll try it again today, because it was weird. I don't understand why it stopped working, because it was working and then it's, oh well, I'll try it today and see how I go. But if not, I'll probably have to go to the closest town and get some gas bottles and a little mini cooker. So yeah, let's do that. I can't believe I just saw a kangaroo jump in the water. Like, it fully was like swimming. That was so crazy. I've never seen that. Oh, fuck. I've never seen that before. That was so cool. Like, what? It was fully like jumping in the water. Oh, that was so cool. stopped at this lookout in a town called McLean or something. McLean. And I was gonna try to get my gas cooker working, and I think I solved the problem. I think I just it's empty. That's why it's not working. So there's a Mitre 10 in this town, so I'm gonna go get a new gas bottle and hopefully it will make it work because I'm hungry. I want to make breakfast. So let's go to Mitre 10 and see if they have gas bottles there. So I got my gas bottle refilled. It's actually that hot now. I just got to Station Creek and I did not realize how remote this place is. Like, I knew it was gonna be remote, but not like this crazy. I went on like the dirt road to get here for like ages and I was so scared. How am I gonna like do a creek crossing, like put my car in 4-wheel drive on the beach and get to this Pebbly Beach campground? I'm actually that scared. Oh my god. I always do this. I think in my head, I'm like, oh, easy. Like, it'll be easy. And then, no. Not on my own. I'm actually scared. And, like, at least there's some people camping at the Station Creek place. I can see, like, 2 other cars. But like, I really hope that there's going to be more people at that Pebbly Beach campground, because I'm going to be so scared to do that creek crossing if no one is there. I don't reckon I will do it. Like, if there's no cars there, I probably won't do it. I'll probably go back here and camp here for the night, because, like, imagine if I break down and there's like no one around to help me. Oh well, I'm so hungry. It's like, what time is it now? 11:20 and I haven't had any food yet. So I'm gonna find a good spot to park and we'll make some breakfast and then I'll figure out this creek crossing and driving on the beach a bit later. The camping oven or whatever it's called is working, which means it was only needing some more gas, which is good. I decided to put another bacon in there. So I made 3 eggs because I'm that hungry. Some bacon, some mushroom, and avocado. So yummy. So it says that the beach is 600 meters from here, so I thought you could go and check it out. I just changed into my bikini. It's actually pretty cold, but so we'll see. I should have brought my towel if I wanted to tan. Should I go back and get my stuff? Yeah. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking, not bringing a towel or anything. I got my beach bag now, so let's go check out the beach. And then we can see how low the tide is, because if it's pretty low, I might just drive onto the beach and tan, like set up the car on the beach instead of walking down this way. But it depends how low it is. Low is at 4 o'clock and it's 12 right now, so It's actually 4 hours till low tide, so I reckon it'd be pretty high still. But I guess we'll find out. The tide is actually really low already, and I'm thinking there's like an inlet right there, like a creek thing. I mean, it's called Station Creek, but I'm wondering if that's the creek you have to pass or cross to get to Pebbly Beach. So it's like right here, but you have to like drive around to get there. There's a car right over there. Wow, it's actually so nice here. I can't believe this. But I'm wondering if I should walk back and get my car. So the tide is definitely low enough, so I'm gonna walk back. I'm gonna walk back to my car and see if I can drive onto the beach. Because then it won't be stressful either. Like I can just take my time and relax, and when the tide is low enough to do the creek crossing, I'll just drive on over. So I just got to the place where you have to let your tyres down. It says high clearance 4-wheel drives only beyond this point, so I'm gonna let my tyres down. I reckon I'm gonna let them down to like 19, 20 or 19. Surely that should be enough. It doesn't look like it kind of looks like it'll be alright without even letting the tyres down, but I'm gonna do it just in case. It always takes me the longest time to let my tyres down. Like, I'm so scared every time. I still don't understand that, like, the thing I have, like, it's actually that hard. I'm like, am I doing it right? Am I not? But I think I done it right, and we're gonna drive onto the beach. I'm scared. I reckon I'm gonna put you the other way so you can see where I'm going. I didn't even have to put it in 4-wheel drive low. I drove the whole thing in 4-wheel drive high. What? And I'm on the beach now. What the hell? So nice. Look how nice is this? Like what? I reckon I'm gonna put it in 4-wheel drive low to go through there because the sand looks really soft and I don't want to get bogged. I've only seen one other car like the whole time I've been here. That's so crazy, and I've been here for like over an hour now on the beach and it's only been one car. If I get bogged, I'm fucked. So let's put it into 4-wheel drive low. Seriously, how nice is this camp spot? I can't get over this. I've got this whole thing, like this whole spot for myself. Like, what? So crazy. And I'm the only one here, or there's one person on the other side of the beach. I fully have this whole campsite, like the whole beach to myself. I actually can't believe this. It's so nice. What? Let's set up camp and make it all like cozy. This is seriously like the nicest camp spot I've ever camped at. Like, how nice is that? It's got its own fireplace. I've got this whole area for myself. Like, look how big it is. And I've got my own little entrance. Like, what? To the water. Like, I actually can't believe that this whole spot is mine. Like, what? This is insane. I actually can't get over how good this camp spot is. Like, what? And I forgot to tell you, like, that guy that you saw in the video when I'm crossing the creek, he helped me to like guide me where to drive, which was so good because I reckon I wouldn't have done it if he wasn't there. Because like, how am I supposed to know where to like drive and stuff? So that was so good that he was there. He was so nice and he like helped me where to drive and everything. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Oh, it's so good to be here. Pebbly Beach. It's my new favorite campsite. Or camp beach spot. Yummy! So I've got steak with some goat cheese on there, and then just fried asparagus, broccolini and pumpkin. We'll see, this is gonna be so yummy, and the sun is on its way down. And then later I'm gonna make a fire in the fire pit. Can you see it? There it is. I'm gonna make a fire in the fire pit, and I'm gonna make a hot chocolate and eat my homemade chocolate and coconut cookies. I'm actually so excited. I still can't believe that I'm like the only one here. It's like a dream. But also like a bit scary. Like, what if something happens? I'm the only one here. Oh, let's eat before it gets cold. I just made a hot chocolate. It's on the table there. And I'm just gonna sit here in front of the fire, watch the sunset and do crossword puzzles. I'm actually so excited. Like, how cozy is that? This is seriously the coziest thing ever. And I forgot to show you, I've got cookies too. Ooh! I forgot to grab them. Where are they? Oh yeah, here they are. Look at that. A little snack. What do you call it? Snack plate. With some homemade chocolate and homemade coconut cookies. Oh, like how cozy is this? I actually can't, like, oh, I wish every night was this cozy. Seriously. And I'm just gonna do crossword puzzles in front of the fire. So cozy. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.